Halloween is finally here! There's one good thing 2020 has brought us, and it's Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody! If you're not watching this on Halloween, then still, happy Halloween! It's Halloween every day here. If you're ever thinking, should I be a pumpkin for Halloween or should I be a zombie for Halloween? Well, now you can do both. I'm so excited for this look, and I'm so excited for Halloween of 2020 or 2021 or 2022 or 2030. Whenever you're watching this, I'm just so excited. Guys, if you're as hyped for Halloween as I am and you want to see more Halloween looks like this, please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and smack the subscribe button and join the horsepower. No more horsing around. Let's get right into the video and let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is, you guessed it, we are taking off our eyebrows yet again. I think every look I've done for Halloween this year, I've been taking off my eyebrows with a glue stick. I don't know. I guess Halloween just calls for no eyebrows. Next thing I'm gonna do is start sketching the cracks and where I want like my zombie parts to be and where I want my pumpkin parts to be. Next, I'm going to use like an angled brush like this, and I'm going to start painting my pumpkin part orange and avoiding the zombie part. So start off using a orange eyeshadow to start shading the pumpkin part. I'm gonna start shading like the ripples and just like right around the cracks. And in case you're wondering exactly what eyeshadow I'm using Baja. I'm using Baja from Urban Decay Born to Run. You don't have to use this exact one, but in case you're wondering like what eyeshadow exactly I'm using, that's what I'm using. Next, I'm going to be shading with extra bitter. It's kind of like a brownish orange from, and this is from Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics. Or if you don't have it, it's like a orangey brown. And that'll be my next color for shading. Now I'm taking a little bit of black eyeshadow and just shading the darkest areas on my face. And with green paint, I'm going to start painting in my zombie part. Before I get too far into the mouth, I'm going to paint the teeth. Now continue painting inside my mouth with green and carefully going around the teeth. For the brain, I'm going to be mixing pink with a lot of white, making a very light pink, and just fill in the brain area. With purple eyeshadow, I'm going to start kind of sketching out the contents of the brain. I'm just using like some squiggly lines. With purple body paint now, I'm gonna outline everything in the brain. I'm gonna take a little bit darker purple eyeshadow and just finish up the shading in the brain. With gray eyeshadow, I'm gonna shade all of my teeth. And with a darker green eyeshadow, I'm going to shade all the edges around the zombie mouth. And when I'm stroking with the green eyeshadow, I'm stroking down with an angled brush. That way it has like a streaky look to it. And with black eyeshadow, I'm going to deepen all the green shading even further. And I want the nose to be very dark, so I'll just start off with a little bit of green paint and then shade it with a little bit of green eyeshadow, and then the rest will be black. And now my favorite part is to outline everything in black paint. Pretty much everything except for the brain. I'm gonna leave the brain alone. With orange paint, I'm gonna paint the pumpkin body. So I'm just gonna be repeating the steps that I did on my face. I'm gonna start off with that orange eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with the orangey brown eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna darken it with black, and etc. I literally covered my whole body in baja. Thank you, Urban Decay. Baja is a perfect color for turning you into a pumpkin. Now I'm going in with extra bitter, which is that orangey brown color, and going over the orange. And then I'm using black eyeshadow to shade. Now I'm going to paint anything else that's remaining a skin color green for the zombie. And the same green eyeshadow I used up here, I'm going to use down below as well. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different. So to match the green part up here where it's all streaky, I'm gonna use darker green paint than what I painted down here, and do that same streaky motion. And finally, I'm going to outline everything I want to outline in black. Okay, all there's left to do is put my contacts on, put my wig on, and we're done.